welcome to Rock Painting 101. We are about to do a fun Rudolph tutorial. I realized I didn't have one for him to add to our Christmas page, so I came up with a fun little design, perfect for beginners or even for more experienced painters if you just need a little inspiration. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't in the bottom right hand corner. So there's a very popular character for the Christmas season for a lot of people that I don't have a tutorial for, and that's Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. So we're going to go ahead and do something fun and simple for beginners to create. So I'm starting with my nose right down at the bottom, and I tried to do this a couple of times and I kept running into the same issue. As I was running out of room, I'd get my head on and then I didn't have room for the antlers. So we're going to go right at the antlers right away here, just so you make sure that you keep space for them, because the nose can be as exaggerated as you want. So it could be huge on its face when it's all said and done, or it can be small. You've got a lot of leeway with how big Rudolph's nose is. So we're going to get these antlers on here first, and then we're going to thicken them up a little bit. Simple little antlers here. And then the main one right down there. Okay, so now we can create our head shape here. So we're going to do the top of that, come down and around our nose like so. Okay, now he needs to have some ears, so we're going to add those on. They're kind of like little sideways eyes almost shape. And we're going to let this dry a little bit. I am going to go ahead and add in the white areas of my eyes so I don't color that area right away with brown, just to have to go over it again. I'm on a nice light rock, so I want to just get my white down. So they almost like, it's hard to see white on this rock, kind of like two little tombstones on top of the nose for now. Then we'll go in and fill in the rest of our brown here. I'll speed some of this up. Okay, so while the main face part of our reindeer is drying, we're going to go in and we're going to create some different variations to our brown. These pens are water-based, so they can be blended just a little bit. So I'm going to go on just the antlers, and I'm going to add a couple little stripes really quickly of black like that, and then I'm going to come right back with my brown while it's still wet and kind of go back and forth through that just a smidge and take that color up into here. It's just going to give it a little bit of a different hue of brown. Just to break up so it's not all one color. There we go. And lid. All right, so our browns had some time to dry. We're going to come along here and we're going to outline our nose and our eyes here. Give them some pupils. He's really starting to come together. Now, it's funny because I did this on accident. See how that little bump out? It almost looks like it could be like a bottom lip or something coming to the side, doesn't it? All right, sometimes we have good accidents, right? Bob Ross taught us all that. Happy accidents. Like there, and we're gonna go like this. Now, you could finish your reindeer just like this, but we're gonna add a little bit more holiday cheer to him. I'll speed this outlining up a little. All right, so we are going to add some holiday cheer to our reindeer. First things first, I'm going to outline, we'll fill it in a minute. He is going to get himself a collar. And then we're also going to hang, it's going to come down behind his ear here, some bulbs from his antlers. So now I'm filling in the last of these little ornaments. Just little dots of color. And we're gonna fill in his little collar here. Just like that. And it's funny now that I look at it with the collar, it looks weird. So now we're gonna fix it. My favorite thing about these pens, guys, once it's dry, you can go right over the top. So we're just gonna fix this down here. All right, we're leaving him as he is. I like him how he is. We need a little highlight maybe on his nose. There, that's the final touch. You guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.